Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to take a look at the Microsoft Office applications. Currently, Zapier only connects to Office 365, which is the business level of Microsoft Office in the cloud. The app details indicate that it has triggers, actions, and searches involved. Now, if you do use the business level of Microsoft Office, you'll notice that there are definitely integrations that you might use. However, this application is primarily still under development. One thing that you can do extremely well is to use Microsoft 365 for upcoming events. And that means then that we can take those events and we can have them automatically posted to our WordPress site so that we can write them up. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click Use this Zap. And you'll see that this function is primarily for planning an event, one that you will want to write about on your WordPress site. We will not be going through the details of this particular application. If you want to see the steps, all you'll need to do is to click this arrow, and then you'll see the different triggers. However, this is an important app to keep an eye on as Microsoft starts to build out its cloud-based services. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.